Woodworking involves a lot of panel finishing, whether that's a cutting board, shelving, a chest lid, or drop leaves like these. You need a way to support the panel for both sanding and finishing, and it sure helps if it gives you access to the edges as well as the faces. And that's where Rockler's bench cookies and a few key accessories can make things a whole lot easier. Let's take a closer look. Now, Rockler's original bench cookies look like this. They had this soft foam rubber on both faces, similar to a computer mouse pad, and a hard plastic core. Now, these did a good job of work holding, but along the way, Rockler's made a design change. They've installed this threaded steel insert into one face, and that's made bench cookies even more versatile. And that's why these are now called Bench Cookie Plus. This threaded insert enables you to screw on one of two different styles of 3/4 inch diameter risers. This style sets your bench cookie flush with your bench in a bench dog hole. The taller riser in this position raises it to twice the bench cookie height, and flipping that tall riser over into the other position raises it to 3 times the original height. The taller riser setup could come in handy when you want to cut a panel with a circular saw or jigsaw. The extra height provides clearance for the saw blade. But for panel sanding, I like the lowest height riser. It locks my bench cookies into my bench so they can't shift around while I'm working. And the grippy textured rubber surface on top keeps my panel from jittering out of place with no extra clamping required. Bench cookies also let you sand the edges and ends of your panels without clamping them vertically in a vise or hanging them over the edge of your bench. And bench cookies with risers make a great platform for finishing too, whether you're wiping, brushing, or even spraying. Then, if you want to finish the back face, you don't have to wait for this face to dry first. There's another bench cookie accessory that can help keep the process moving. These finishing cones snap right onto bench cookies or bench cookie pluses to reduce your surface area from this down to a single point. And now you can flip your panel over and keep on finishing. The cones will keep the bench cookies from sticking to the drying surface underneath and marring the finish. And that's how Rockler's Bench Cookie Plus and a few accessories can help make sanding and finishing your panels a whole lot easier. Rockler offers a master kit that includes 8 Bench Cookie Plus work grippers, 4 standard risers, 8 tall risers, and 8 finishing cones. And there are other bench cookie accessories, like bridges for supporting small parts and ways to connect bench cookies to sawhorses and T-tracks, so be sure to check those out too. I'm Chris Marshall with Woodworker's Journal magazine, and thanks for watching.